It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yabu right here, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to create amazing images like this using Bing AI on your phone. A step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are new to this channel and you love AI content with free prompts like this, consider to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so each time I post valuable content about AI topic, you will be notified. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to create amazing 3D images with Bing AI on your phone. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your Bing app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Bing app. Alright, so having opened up your Bing app, next thing you want to do is to make sure you create a free account with Microsoft Bing. So for you to do that, just click on here and fill in your details. So you're going to get a free account. After you have successfully created a free account, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on image creator right here to start creating a fantastic images for free. Alright, so it open up this particular page. Next thing you want to do is to write your prompt into this particular place right here. But I have my prompt already. I will just click and hold down. I will paste my prompt right here. You can also check the description of this video for this particular prompt. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on create right here. Beautiful. So you can see the images right here. So I need to download this. For me to download, I just need to tap on the image right here. Then I can click and hold down. I will choose download. Then I will swipe. I will click and hold down. I will choose download. I will swipe again. I will click and hold down. I will choose download. Then I will swipe again. I will click and hold down. I will choose download. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to close this particular result, and then we try to modify our prompt and see another beautiful images. So we're going to change from a 3D realistic letter of Nigerian capital. So this time around it's going to be France. Right? So it's going to be France capital city. Real color of building with letter F. Okay. So it's going to be letter F. Now, so next thing I'm going to do is to just click on create. So let's see some beautiful results we're going to get from this particular prompt. So we have the result right here. So I'm going to click on here to download this one. I'll click and hold down or download. I'm going to swipe to see more results. I'll click and hold down, download, and I'll click and hold down and download. I'm going to close this one again. Then I'll modify this particular prompt again. So this is going to be, let's change to another country. So I'm going to use America. So this time around it's going to be capital letter A right here. Then I'll make sure I click on create. So you have it. So I'm going to click on here to just download. I'll click on hold down. I'll click on hold down, download. I'll click on hold down, download. I'll click on hold down and download. So we can close on here. So we can try as many as possible, but bear in mind, each time you are trying to modify or generate an image, your credit is getting deducted from this particular point right here. So let's take a look at another country. So this time around, this is going to be Ghana. Then the capital letter we are going to use here, we're going to use the first letter of Ghana, so which is letter G. Then I'll make sure I click on create right here. So right here we have different 4 results. I'm going to click on here to open it. I'll click and hold down. I will download. Then I'll click and hold down, download. I'll click and hold down, download. I'll click and hold down and download. So it's as simple as that. So I'm going to click on here to close the pump up. So you can see now that my credit has been drastically reduced to 3. after we have done about 4 different examples on how to generate amazing 3D realistic with being a step-by-step tutorial with just your phone. I hope you really got value for this video, and for this particular tutorial prompt, consider to check the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye for now.